Hello viewers, today I will show you how to make Baghara rice. For making Baghara khana, we need half kg basmati rice soaked in water for half an hour. Take 5 to 8 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a cooking pot. You can even take pure desi ghee or the mixture of oil and ghee together. I am taking oil here. When the oil is hot and nice, add one big sliced onion to it. Stir continuously until the onion becomes translucent. Once the onion becomes translucent or just golden in color, add ginger garlic paste to it. Add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute the mixture till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. Baghara rice is an important part of Hyderabadi cuisine. It is served best with especially horma and dalcha. Once the raw smell goes off and ginger garlic paste becomes golden in color, add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. Once the salt is added, the masala tries to stick to the bottom. So keep the water ready with you. Now add 1 cup of each coriander and mint leaves. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. Now add bay leaves, black peppers 4 to 5, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, black cumin 1/4 teaspoon, cloves 4 to 5 and 2 to 3 cardamoms. Give it a good stir. Whenever you're gonna make Baghara khana, you should always measure the quantity of your rice with the measuring cup, whatever may be available with you. Amount of water you're gonna add in this is exactly 2 times of the rice you have taken. However, the amount of water absorbed by the rice is solely dependent on the quality of rice. Here I have added 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice, which makes half kg. So be careful while adding water. Once the water comes to a boil, add soaked basmati rice to it. You're gonna add handful of curry leaves. As I am cooking in an instant pot, I don't need to wait till the water boils. I am putting the lid on. If you are cooking in an instant pot, follow the same procedure. Or if you are cooking on gas, wait till the water boils. Then add rice. Put the lid on only when the rice is cooked 70%. In my instant pot, the Baghara khana is ready within 15 minutes on khichdi mode. Baghara rice always tastes best when it is hot, so always try to serve it hot. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Share my videos and thanks for watching.